When planning your new deck, there are some helpful things to consider before you begin installation. You'll want to figure out the overall size of your deck based on the width of your deck boards and the gaps between the rows. Also consider how the last row will be installed. Will it be cantilevered over the frame, cantilevered over a fascia, or possibly butt up against a fascia? Don't cantilever your board more than 5/8 of an inch or 15 millimeters, or you will void the warranty. Once you have the design and overall footprint of the deck established, compare those measurements to the structural frame. This will tell you if you'll need to rip your last row of deck boards. If so, you may want to adjust the design of the deck, the size of the structural frame, or if you will need to cut the last row, consider where it will look the best and then start your installation on the opposite side.